Way to go, Moana Belay looking for the lead. Reasons on the outside, second running in, third transfer factor. Moving up by Wilson, Yoran, Anita, Bright Olympian joining them now, then followed by The Here Song and Lucky Song. Then Magnificence is now running in the tail of the field. And going along for the first turn, Moana Belay being joined by Reasons and 2 lengths back, Transfer Factor. Moving up by the wheel, The Here Song, Bright Olympian. Next on line now, Senora Nenita alongside Lucky Song and Magnificence. Passing the half mile, matching stride, Reasons and Moana Belay. And here comes Transfer Factor, Bright Olympian, The Here Song moving up by the wheel. And in between horses now is Senora Nenita around the outside, Lucky Song. While Magnificent still running in a tail of the field inside the last 600. Reasons and Bright Olympian at the outside, and The Here Song, Transfer Factor moving up now in the middle portion as they swing from Reasons and Transfer Factor, The Here Song, Bright Olympian, Senora Nenita. Reasons and Transfer Factor on the outside, but still Reasons and The Here Song, Transfer Factor, and finally Reasons and The Here Song, Transfer Factor, Senora Nenita, and Bright Olympian for your Pentapacta.
54768.